Guys, do you remember our childhood when we used to ride carefree and feel independent about this? That's exactly what I'm feeling right now. Hi guys, it's good morning. It's pretty early for me. It's like 5:40 a.m. right now, and I have been up since 3:45 because I had to take this early train and reach Churchgate to meet some amazing, lovely people out there. Stay tuned for what's there. Hopefully we're going to reveal local gems to you, and that'll be really nice. I have of course LP and my team members here.
The angle that you was talking about.
Where is mine? Yes.
Yeah. So no one
When
really,
did it go
yeah,
missing?
it used to be called Victoria Terminus.
Oh.
But you know, in 1996 when everything was changed and renamed in Bombay, so this also was renamed to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus. But what's interesting also
So
is
when did the statue go missing?
in about 1996 when they took it
Oh, so
away.
very recent.
Okay, finally we are going to be biking on the slope, and here it comes. Oh god. It's sucking all the energy out of me. How's it going?
Oh God.
It's difficult. You have to ride. And this was the only slope that we had during our bike ride. So now it's just gonna be like a plain smooth road that we're gonna ride on. So let's go. By the way, there's sunrise coming from this side and it looks very pretty, and Marine Drive is pretty crowded at this hour. Just introduce yourself.
Hi, this is Krishna Prabhakar from Team LPMI. So we are doing this, what is it actually?
Bike ride.
So we are doing this bike ride today. This is the first time I'm seeing this Chowpatty in this time of the day. Okay.
Really?
Looks great, yeah.
Yeah?
This is the first time.
Wow.
So basically I'm from Panvel, so it's a lot of difficulty, reaching here at this point of time.
See you.
See you. The best part about riding a bicycle is that you can stop anywhere and just spend time. Like I just took this random stop here and just watching the sunset, taking it in, and it's just so beautiful. It's just so lovely right now. The sunrise is so good today. The sky is clear. There are birds everywhere, and it's just so nice looking. Guys, do you remember our childhood when we used to ride carefree and feel independent about this? That's exactly what I'm feeling right now. You're waiting on a signal and this feels funny. What?
This feels funny, waiting on a signal on a cycle. Yeah.
We're just following the rules and etiquette somehow. although we've skipped a few signals. That's it.
You like a lonely man. We just you not like
Yes.
that's he's why I choose you. You're the one who can make it happen. Oh, you know you're in love when you come for the sea because we are the deep scenery.
What's your favorite part of the ride?
So my favorite part was when we actually moved up to the viewpoint at Valkeshwar, where you could actually have a different view of Marine Drive, while you obviously always sit at Marine Drive and then look at Valkeshwar and then enjoy that side.
The favorite part of the ride was riding up the bridge and then looking over at the Arabian Sea. This is
Yeah.
just amazing.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
I think the favorite part about this ride was I got to know a lot more about this city. Like we went to some really unique places and I got to know a lot more in spite of living here like I don't know since how many years, 30 years. And yeah, like it was fun cycling, especially around Marine Drive.
Okay, so for me, basically, because I keep on traveling a lot in Bombay in the morning, the best part of being in Bombay is to watch the sunrise, first of all. The second part was that, firstly, I don't work out a lot. So for me,
good
traveling
exercise.
was a bit of an exercise that I had to do, which was really fun. You can see the glow on my face already.
So we are just gonna get into the luggage department. This is the first time I'm traveling from the luggage department and I don't know how it is. Basically I have to take this cycle which is gifted to all of us, like individual cycles gifted to us by Lonely Planet magazine. So I'm really happy and I have to take it back home and it's a tiring process. It's gonna be a tiring process. But it's the first time I'm gonna be actually taking something like this into the luggage department. So let's see how that goes. Guys, we are paying for this cutie to take back home.
Very high. It's very expensive to own a bicycle and move it to local
Exactly.
transport in
200 rupees. It's 1,000 for the 5 of us. Yes. You want to show that Bauti?
An amazing Bauti. Probably familiar with it when you didn't take a ticket.
Hello, I am back. I am logging back from my camera, which is why बीच में मेरा ध्यान यहाँ पे जाता है. So please forgive me for that. But anyway, yeah, let's start. Okay, so first we're gonna talk about what the event was today. Basically, I was invited by Lonely Planet magazine India for this bicycle ride, and just we were just gonna be cycling like around 20 kilometers ke aspas, yeah, all over the heritage places of Mumbai. Started off with CST, then Marine Drive gaye, fir we were supposed to have jalebi fafda kahin pe to, but since we were already running late on time, we had to skip that, and we ended the entire trail at Pantry, where we had a very good breakfast. But anyway, yeah, the whole point of this cycling ride was actually to create and promote this awareness about conscious travel and sustainable travel. So here are some things that I have learned during my travel. Like, of course, I keep traveling quite a bit, not so much, but yeah, whenever I do try to take these measures during my travel, like taking my own bottle and not just buying plastic bottles, and trying to explore local markets and buy from them instead of buying all the branded ones, because that helps the locals and the places, the tourism places. But apart from that, what I newly learned from this entire thing was, if I can, because since I just realized I actually can cycle and I have a lot of potential to ride for like a lot of miles. So during the travel, like whenever you're traveling next, and if there's an opportunity for you to skip the car or any other means of transport, you can skip to cycling or renting a cycle and exploring the town or whatever place you are at on a cycle. That's the main thing that they sort of wanted to bring it out about conscious travel. And I'm just so glad that they invited me for this initiative. So I'm sort of really like grateful, just being invited by a magazine. So yeah, I'm really happy about that. Plus they gifted us a cycle. Like, can you believe, just the other day, like it's been weeks that me and my dad were talking about this thing that we should get a cycle because of the traffic and everything. The काफी ऐसे problem हो जाता था. Oh, I'm sweating because the fan's off. But anyway, yeah, me and my dad were just talking कि we should get a cycle because बहुत traffic होता है, and just cycle would make our life easier. We were not so serious about it, but yes, the universe working its way, working its magic, and now I have a cycle. So yes, I'm gonna be cycling, and you're gonna be seeing more pictures and more videos and that. So this is basically for all the people who's watching from Mumbai, okay? Fuck, I'm sweating. So what does this mean? कि Churchgate से Borivali fast train, ठीक है? Not Churchgate to Virar, Churchgate to Borivali, which means that the train will stop at Andheri, Bandra, Dadar, Mumbai Central, and Andheri ke baad har stop pe, like Goregaon, Jogeshwari, Kandivali, everywhere, right? So now I got in this train from Churchgate, Borivali to Churchgate to Borivali fast. And while I was just sitting there and having this conversation, I just saw my stop pass by, which was Kandivali, and I just don't know how. So I still don't understand. Like I asked my parents and everything. They said कि sometimes हो जाता है, but there was no mention कि it's not gonna stop or it's gonna be fast from Andheri as well. So I had to get down at Borivali. ठीक है, not an issue. Now I have this cycle that I have to take back home. The cycle is quite bada, ठीक है, and it wasn't fitting into any rickshaw. Even the cab guys were like, we don't have that carrier जो ऊपर का बोलते हैं वो, we don't have that, so we can't take it. So basically for that next 15-20 minutes at the station, I was just like, okay, what do I do with this thing now? Where do I keep it? At Borivali station. And I had to go to Kandivali. So दोपहर के 12 बजे I had to literally, like, it पूरा ये मेरा sleeveless था, and like I was wearing a crop top and everything. So basically I had to, without any jacket, without any sunscreen protection, यहाँ पे कुछ भी, I had to cycle all the way from from Borivali station to my place, which was like almost, I don't know, 5-6 kilometers जितना भी हो. But yes, I had to like ride back, and I honestly did not have an issue riding back, but it was like at the peak hour, the sun was literally on my head, and I was just sweating so bad and tanning so bad. Like whenever I get out, I usually wear a scarf or a cap or something, but I did not have any of these things because I did not see कि ऐसा भी कुछ हो सकता है. So yes, that was my story time for you guys, and I got the cycle back home. And yeah, I was just sweating so much. I had to like quickly go take a shower because I had to go at my sister's place. She had housewarming puja uske ghar pe, my sister and my Jiju. So I had to go there, family thing. And then this is the third time I'm taking a shower again because mera hair wash baki reh gaya tha. So yes, that's the story time for you guys. Now I quickly have to go open some PR packages and just clean myself up because I don't know, I still look like shit. I don't know what am I gonna do. I think I'm just gonna go for some like cleansing my skin because there are pimples and everything that's coming up, so maybe scrubbing and then some mask. But let's see. And then I also have to open some packages, and I'm gonna do that. I don't know if I should include that in this video. It's just gonna be a little odd. So yeah, I'll see maybe next time. Let me know if you guys want to see like a haul, or not a haul, like opening PR packages, and we could also do a giveaway. Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, I guess that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed watching this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.